If you ever wanted to start drop shipping, the hardest part isn't usually not making the store, it's figuring out what to sell, where to source it from, how to get it shipped fast, and how to keep everything organized once you start adding more products. That's where a lot of people get stuck because they're not building a system. They're just guessing. So today, I want to show you a tool that can help make the process a lot easier, especially if you're trying to get ready for the second half of the year. But first, I'm Cece. This is Inside Your Hustle. Now let's get paid. The main thing is to understand is that this isn't about choosing the cheapest plan. No, it is about choosing the right growth bundle for where you are in your drop shipping journey. If you are just starting, you may need a simple way to test products and learn the workflow. If you already have a store, you may need more listing capacity, more AI support, and more tools to help you move faster. This is why Doba breaks this down by seller stage. Each bundle gives you a different plan plus a bonus growth kit, so you can pick the option that actually fits what you are trying to build next. So let me take you over to the Midyear Growth Carnival page and show you how these bundles work. Okay, so now let's check out Doba. We're on the home page. Look at all these beautiful products they're selling. Okay, so now they offer so much, and I want to introduce you to the 2026 Midyear Growth Carnival. This is with the growth bundles built for your store. I'm so excited. They have the starter, the growth. Okay. They also have a plan called the Pro, and they also have the Elite. All right. So there's so many different plans for you. Now that's the standard. We are going to the starter. All right. For new sellers starting out, it comes with a basic plan. It's so exciting. And it also comes with a bonus growth kit starter pack, and it's free for 30 days. You get to pick a TikTok handpick item, Amazon, Shopify. You also get a masterclass, 500 listing capacity. Oh my goodness. I could go on and on and on. You also can get a two-store integration. Do you see what I'm saying? Two stores. You can do Amazon, Shopify. You can do Wix, TikTok. All right. 250 one-click product listings. 600 inventory list capacity. 450 products download monthly. Every month. AI store builder. That's an add-on AI auto lister. That's so important. 300 AI tools, hub credits, 24-hour, 7 days a week customer service. They AI auto is going to help you, that auto lister, so it can show you the way you pay through PayPal, Google Pay, or a card. And you get the master class. Of course, that's going to just change your, it will help you so much. And you get those hand-picked items, TikTok, Amazon, Shopify, Temu. You get all of that. All right. So now you can pay that $164 quarterly. It's not every month. It's quarterly. You're investing in yourself. You believe in yourself. This is your chance, okay, to do drop shipping. Now, I got some questions. When does it end? July 30th. So you need to hurry up. I'm telling you this, you are going to be, they take you through by hand. What's included? I told you. Doba plan and a matching free growth kit. All right, is included as part of the bundle. You have to do this. It ends July 30th. This kit is so important. I did it without a kit. I wish I had this kit. I wish somebody was holding my hand through the process. I was figuring it out. This, you don't have to figure it out. It is great for a beginner. It includes a discounted double plan and a matching free growth kit. Your plan discount is applied to the standard monthly plan price and the matching growth kit. How do I get the free growth kit? Choose a bundle on the promotional page and complete the guided checkout process. Please keep the growth. All right. Will the growth kit renew after the free period? Yes, it will renew after the promotional rate shown at checkout. Can I get the same free kit more than once? No. Each account can receive each specific growth kit for a free once during the promotional period. Don't try to get 5 different growth kits. You get a growth kit with the bundle. This is exciting. Take advantage of it. That masterclass alone is worth so much money. And you're getting that for free every month. I love this. And it takes you through and it answers so many questions. They also have ebooks. They have all kinds of lessons you can take. Can I remove the growth kit and add it back later? No, the kit is removed. It's canceled before the free period ends. It cannot be added on later. Will the offer apply automatically to my new renewal or trial? No, this offer is only available when you manually select an eligible growth bundle on the promotional page. All right. So once you select that growth kit, it's with the correct bundle, it all comes together. I'm going to show you some of the products that you could sell from Doba. I am so excited. I'm going right into more, and I go right into the Amazon picks. Look at this. You know I'm going to pick the chair. Look at this, $111.11. I'm sitting in a comfortable chair right now. It's with the mesh fabric, ergonomic. It's high back. Oh, it feels so good with the headrest. I can't ever get out this chair. Same chair, Amazon, $309. Look what you can sell it for. You buy it from Doba, $111. Sell it for $250, $300. Boom, you made a profit. That's how you do it. And it comes in black, comes in gray. It comes in different, and it swivels. It swivels. I'm telling you. You will love, you're going to want to cheer for yourself, by the way. I'm telling you, summer is here. Flowers are blooming. Some people are growing fruits and vegetables. You're going to need a trellis. They are selling. This is another hot pick right now. This is selling for $24.22. $24.22. This is hot right now on TikTok. It's featured on TikTok. It's the number 38 top seller. Look at the beautiful vines growing. Look how much it's selling for on Amazon. $39.99. Did you see that 6'2" garden trellis? Look how beautiful it looks out front. You can put it in your backyard. You can put it on your front door. You can put it anywhere. It's gorgeous. You could train your vines, your flowers, even your vegetables. It will control and look beautiful. It'll control your garden. It looks so beautiful. And look how much it's selling for. $39. Okay? So you're going to make a profit. That's just 2 picks. I showed you an Amazon top pick and I showed you a TikTok pick that's trending right now. I showed you 2. There's so many great products. And you can go through it once you get the bundle. And you can look through it and if you're not sure what to pick, they have an AI that will help you pick. It will help you, guide you through what's hot at the moment, what's selling here on Shopify, what's selling on TikTok. It'll help you. It will guide you. It will hold your hand and take you to the right picks. I'm telling you, you will not regret this. This is amazing, and it is an amazing deal. And I could just go on and on about it. I'm not right now, but I'm telling you, the masterclass alone is worth it. I showed you. Now believe in yourself, invest in yourself. You deserve this. I hope I was able to help you understand a little bit more about the growth bundle. Okay? All right. So now, if you are starting your drop shipping business, or you already have a store and you want a better system for sourcing, listing, and growing in the second half of the year, check out Doba's Mid-Year Growth Carnival. I'll have the link in the description down below. And when you go through the page, please make sure you choose the growth bundle that fits your current stage and keep the bonus growth kit selected at the checkout so it can be included with your bundle. This was so exciting today. Oh my goodness, I'm excited for you. Thank you for watching. And if you enjoyed this info, don't forget to smash the like button, share, hype this video, subscribe, hit the notification bell so that you can learn more about other side hustles that you can turn into your main hustle. Now let me know in the comments down below if you'll try drop shipping with Doba. And remember, you are amazing. Bye-bye.